Dear students of class 6, hope everyone is fine and doing well at home. In our earlier class, we have discussed about mail merge and how it helps us to send similar information to different people. In this practical class, we will see how to actually create a mail merge document. After the class, you are expected to practice the same. At first, open MS Word. Here I have already opened MS Word. Then go to the menu bar. Click Mailings, Start Mail Merge. The Start Mail Merge drop down list opens. Select Letters. Now you have to type the letter you want to send to many people. Here I have already typed a letter inviting friends of Kunal to attend his birthday party. Now see the letter. Here in this letter you can notice two things. There is space above the letter, above dear. This letter also doesn't contain any name after dear. Okay? So the name and addresses will be entered using mail merge feature. Now see the letter. Dear, my birthday is on the 10th of June. I plan to celebrate it with my friends. So, please come and attend my birthday party which will start at 6 pm on the 10th of June. The venue of the birthday party is Hotel Galaxy, SN Road, Dhubri. Yours friend Kunal, GTB Road, Dhubri. Okay? Here we have typed only one invitation letter. Okay. These letter can be sent to different addresses using mail merge feature. Now see how to create the mailing list. We are already under mailings tab. Now select recipients. Click on select recipients. The select recipients drop down list opens. Select type new list. The new address list dialog box opens. We will type first name, last name, address line 1 and city. Okay? No need to mention Mr. or Miss. Okay? Before friend's name. So, skip title. Now, we are going to enter the name of your friends. At first, Sarah, Jane, New Market, Dhubri. To enter the next record, click on New Entry button at the bottom. Ayush, Sen, GTB Road, City, Dhubri. To enter the next record, again you click on the new entry button at the bottom. Anika Roy, Loan Office Land, Dhubri. Again click on new entry button to enter the last record. We are going to enter 4 records. Nishant Jain, New Market, Dhubri. Delete this. So we have entered 4 records. When all the records have been entered, click OK. You are prompted to save the data. Give a file name and save it. I will save the records as address list. Already address list file is there. Okay. So address list together. Okay, give then another file name address. Okay. So our mailing list is created. Now to insert their addresses, click on Insert March field. Before inserting, go to Dear and give space to enter your friend's name here, first name. Now go to Insert March field and insert first name. Above that line, insert first name, give space, insert last name, press enter, insert address line 1, give space, insert city. Now to view what you have done, click on preview results. See here, the first record will be displayed by default. The first record is Sarah Jain, New Market, Dhubri. Here see, 1 is displayed, that is the first record. Click on the next record button to see the next record. Next one, second one is Ayush Sen, third one Anika Roy, fourth one Nishant Jain. Okay. Now to edit the individual documents with their respective addresses in separate pages, click on Finish and Merge button. See here, Finish and Merge button. Click. Select Edit Individual Documents. Now, see here, all radio button is selected. Okay, click OK. Now see, page down, 4 pages containing the letter with different addresses will be displayed one by one. Now, why 4 pages? 4 pages because 4 records are entered in data source. Okay, see the first one Sarah Jane's record, second one Ayush Sen, third one Anika Roy, fourth one Nishant Jain. Now MailMerge is ready for sending the same letter to different addresses after printing the 4 pages. Okay. Now if you want to give the page border, you can click on page layout, give page border, select border from here. Okay. Now on the keyboard you press page down, see, one by one. Okay. So first one is Sarah Jane, second one Ayush Sen, third one Anika Roy, fourth one Nishant Jain. So our MailMerge is created. Okay. Hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.